So this is a very important event in our justice delivery sector. The reason why I say it's important is mainly because, as you can see, we have 6 additional judges that have been put to the Supreme Court. What it therefore means is that cases are going to be dealt with timelessly, and this is quite positive in terms of our constitutional aspirations.
Maybe, please, take us through, in your view. Are these same judges are going to be an appeal, lodged against the constitution of the CJ's term of office, given that quite a number of judges who were in the Supreme Court were also cited?
Yes, quite a number of judges in the Supreme Court were cited. But maybe let me explain this to you. When matters are filed in a particular court, they are not to the attention of an individual judge. It's an application to an institution, to the Supreme Court in this particular case. So as the executive, I am not in a position to predict the bench that is likely to hear the matter that is pending before the Supreme Court.
In your view, as the full appeal, are you confident that the case will go through the Supreme Court and you expect a favorable result?
Yes, the very fact that we filed an appeal and we articulated our grounds of appeal, it shows in itself that we have all the confidence in our matter. Whatever happens at the courts is beyond our control, but we are very optimistic that we have got a strong case that is before the courts.
Also, PS, there have been a contestation with regards to whether the CJ is a quake or not. Today we saw the DCJ taking over in terms of swearing. Would you mind take us in confidence? Is the CJ a quake? And was he here deliberately or not here deliberately? What would happen?
Yes, as was reported and confirmed by the judiciary, the Chief Justice is at work. What you saw today, the Deputy Chief Justice taking responsibility, there is no problem with that. It is provided by the law. In terms of Section 185, subsection 2 of the Constitution, the Chief Justice is allowed to delegate his authority to any judge, the most senior judge, or any judge whom he has to appoint in terms of the Constitution. This is what we saw today. The Chief Justice is delegated, and neither is he obligated to give any reasons for the delegation. So there is absolutely nothing wrong with what we saw today. You mean the specific date? Perhaps Mr. Chukwana, the Secretary to the Judiciary, would say so, but I know as soon as the appeal was noted, he reported for work in terms of the law. I thought I've explained that. I have explained that the Chief Justice is allowed in terms of the law. In terms of Section 185, subsection 2 of the Constitution, the Chief Justice is allowed to delegate his authority to the most senior judge. And in this particular case, he has delegated to the Deputy Chief Justice, and that's why we saw the Deputy Chief Justice taking responsibility today.